Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we saw what is a linked list. We tried to understand it using an example of toy train. Hope the idea was clear. Now in this video, let's try to see how is it different from an array. So here we have a linked list and an array side by side. Let's see how they are different in their properties. So the first and the most important difference between a linked list and an array is that each of the element over here are a separate object in case of linked list. But in case of an array, these elements or cells are not a separate object. Instead, this entire array is a separate object. What that means is that if tomorrow we don't need this node 3, we can delete it and still the linked list will exist. However, in case of an array, tomorrow if we don't need this cell, we cannot delete this cell. Of course, we can delete the value, but the cell itself can never be destroyed. Hence, the cell of an array is never a separate object. Fine, now let's see the second difference, that is variable size. What that means is, in case of a linked list, the number of nodes are not predefined. We can always increase or decrease the number of nodes at runtime. That is, tomorrow if we don't need node 5, we can delete it. Or if we want one more node over here, node 7, we can always increase it or add it. But in case of an array, we cannot add more cells over here. Neither we can delete any of the existing cells. The last important difference is the random access. What that means is, if we want to access cell number 3, we can access it directly in an array. All that we say is ARR and 3, and we can directly access that cell. But in case of a linked list, we cannot do that. If we want to access node number 3 over here, we cannot say linked list node 3. We always have to start from node 1 and keep traversing till we find node 3. And that is one of the biggest limitation of a linked list, which we are going to discuss in our later videos. So I hope you would have understood how is linked list different from an array. Now in the next video, let's talk about why should we learn linked list. Is there any situation where array will not work but linked list will work perfectly? Let's see that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.